Hi, I know you've already heard about Mitolyn and are considering buying it. I was in the same situation a few months ago, and now I want to share my experience with you. My name is Emily, and I'm a yoga instructor. I'm here to tell you how Mitolyn changed my life. I was looking for a natural solution to lose weight and improve my overall health. I had tried many things before, but nothing seemed to work. I was starting to lose hope until I found Mitolyn. I was intrigued by the reviews and testimonials from other people who had used the product, and I decided to give it a try. I've been using Mitolyn for 5 months now, and I can say it's amazing. I've lost 18 pounds, my energy has increased significantly, and I feel healthier than ever. I no longer need coffee or energy drinks to stay awake during the day. I've also noticed a significant improvement in the quality of my sleep, which is essential for my health and well-being. If you're thinking of buying Mitolyn, I say don't hesitate. It's an investment in your health and well-being that's worth it. I know it may seem expensive, but trust me, it's much cheaper than all the other products and treatments I tried before. Plus, Mitolyn offers a satisfaction guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. Click on the link below in the comments to buy now and start seeing the results for yourself. And there you'll learn more details such as bonuses, shipping, and other testimonials. Don't waste any more time. Click now and start changing your life. Buy and live a healthier life.